So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para be updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. At ito na nga, ang part 3 ng ating Christmas story. This is the last part, and I think I prepared some questions here at the end of the slides, so stay tuned and we will have some reflections and some recaps of the part 3 so that we would also learn and we will always remember the first Christmas story. So next, this Balthasar, si Gaspar, and si Melchior ata yung three kings na dumating. So, an angel told us to follow the bright star. It showed us the way to your inn. Our king must be here. So, may nag-guide sa kanilang angel that you should follow the bright star. And yung bright star na yon, lead sila dun sa inn na yon. And Gaspar said, "Take us to the stable, please. We want to see him and adore him. We have gifts for him." Yan, sabi ng innkeeper, "But your highness, he's poor. He can't be your king." And three kings said, "That doesn't matter. What we want now is to see this newborn baby. We're sure he's the one." So, the music, hark the herald angels sing. And the angels sing, and he was born today. Yata yun. So, medyo hindi ko na sala yung mga kanta. Siguro pag narinig ko ulit, I will remember it. Because marami na naman magpapatugtog ng Christmas songs for this day. And yan. Narrator. The boy took the three kings to the stable. The innkeeper stayed at front of the door. He saw many people going to the stable. "Innkeeper, who can this baby be? Why do so many people like to see him? Could he be the king?" So he is still confused kung ano yung nangyayari. But, let's see. Yan. Yan yung sinabi na, "An angel told us to follow the bright star. It showed us the way to your inn. Our king must be here." So, the angel said na, "Andito yung sundan nyo tong pinakamaningning na bituin at igagay niya kayo, gagabayan niya kayo para makita nyo kung saan ba ipinanganak yung king." Na aking sinasabi. So, ayan. Narrator. Just then, his wife came in. Wife. "King? What king are you talking about?" The innkeeper. "A baby is born in the stable. They said he is the king." And the wife said, "Look at the big bright star. It is high above the stable. I've never seen that star before." So yan, sabi nung boy, tumatakbo, "Master! Master! Come and see the newborn baby. The three kings and the shepherds say he is the king of kings, the Messiah, or the Messiah." Sabi ng narrator, the innkeeper and his wife hurried to the stable. There, they saw a baby in a manger. Mary and Joseph were watching over him. The three kings adored him and gave him gifts. "Innkeeper, he's really the king of kings. He is our savior, promised to us." So, the wife of the innkeeper said, "Come, let's go near him. He's our king." So, the music is, "Oh, come, all ye faithful." So, ayan, that's the end of the story of the first Christmas story. It's an excerpt, I think. It's not really the full and the original, I think, conversations, but it's an excerpt and it's for play about what it looks like or what happened in the first Christmas story. So before we end and before we have any conclusions or reflections about this, we'll have a follow-up question. So, why were Joseph and Mary looking for a place? So of course, mga anak na si Mama Mary, 9 months, kabuwanan na niya, and he will give birth anytime. Why didn't anyone let them in? So number 3, where did Mary give birth? Of course, in a stable. And Jesus sleeps in the manger. Who visited the baby? Why? And what did the innkeeper realize? Of course, the innkeeper here, that's the most important part, that he realized that yung sinasabi, yung tinataboy niya na mag-asawa ay sila ang magulang nung savior ng buong mundo. So, ayun, ang ating first Christmas story. So, diyan nag-start. And yan, ang nagiging spirit ng Christmas is about Jesus Christ when He was born in a manger. And the kings and shepherds were very happy to see Him. And they were very delightful because then angel guided them and said to follow the brightest star, and they said that He is the one, He is the Savior, He is the King of Kings and Messiah. So ayan yung pinaka whole story ng ating Christmas story. So as I was said, so Christmas is also coming. It's still pandemic, and we have September, October, November, almost 3 to 4 months before the day. And we will, syempre may countdown na sa mga news, and may countdown na rin sa different parts of the world, and start to decorate Christmas decorations like Christmas tree, nagpapatugtog ng Christmas songs and all, because this in Philippines is the most wonderful time of the year, and it's a long celebration. Since the start of this September, may nagpapatugtog na ng mga Christmas stations ID ng iba't ibang channels ng mga Christmas songs that are really compatible for each season. So, ayun lang. So, always remember na we always give the spirit of Christmas for Jesus, because He was born and saved us. And He is the King of Kings and Messiah. So, ayun lang. So, other spirit of Christmas is giving love, peace, and share some positivity to everybody. And, of course, every family should gather, and it's the time that we're family and having a reunion with their relatives and other people around them. So let's celebrate Christmas this year, full of hope and of course safety, and of course full of happiness, because of course we want positivity and radiance for this time, because it's still pandemic and a lot of problems happening to every parts of the world. So that's it for our lesson for today. So I hope you learned something about our lesson. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless. And of course, advance happy Christmas, everyone.